Hello guys, welcome back to Ali Care. Okay, are you new here? Okay, see that red button right there, so it says subscribe, press the subscribe button, right? Okay, so I have come to the last of the 7-day challenge, right, that I had put up. And if you're new here, you may be wondering what I'm talking about. You will see some videos that I put up from January 19. It have some codes on them, and I was having a challenge with my supporters. I appreciate you a lot, so much. So this is why I've done all this, and it's for you, you know, to motivate you and to let you know that I'm thinking of you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, right? So if you're new here, please press the subscribe button, please comment, like and share, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a video. No, I don't want you to watch my channel in vain, right? I don't want that. So as of from February, because in February, did I tell you? Oh, you weren't here, you knew. In February, I'm going to give a lucky subscriber $5,000. But as of from February 1st, I will choose a lucky subscriber every Friday and give away $500 credit. So every Friday in February, a lucky subscriber will win $500 credit. All you have to do, there is no challenge, you don't have to do anything as in participate in any challenge to get this credit, right? If you're a subscriber already, you're still eligible to get $500 credit. All you have to do is comment below, watch the video, comment below on any one of the video, and as of from now though, not back video, no video, even if you did subscribe before, and leave your email so I can, if I choose you, I will send you the $500 credit. Please be aware that I will announce the person in the next video who was the lucky winner of the $500 credit. That's how much people support me and subscribe. I might step it up a little, or I might think of something else to give away. So if you're a subscriber, you have a chance of winning $500 credit. I know you can go far away. Even if you win it and you don't need it, you can give it to somebody else, right? You can give a friend the $500 credit. You can buy some data, because you know you're watching my video, and I know it takes a lot to spend time to watch my video, and this is what I can afford now. So please show me appreciation by just pressing that subscribe button. And remember guys, if you don't win, you will be learning something. So if you notice, I have on these gloves, right? Okay, so look back at my two last video, the one that said number 7, and you have one that was how to test your period to see if you're sick, and the next one was men's sperms, don't waste it. Okay, but definitely that video is not just about don't waste the men's sperms. It doesn't literally mean don't waste it. It's just showing you that men's sperms have a lot of things in it, and also you can test the sperms to know certain things. You have to go and watch that video. I don't want to tell you everything, right? And as soon as I learn how to put a next video in our next video so you can see a clip, I will do that. But for now, I don't learn it yet, because you know I edit my own videos, right? So you might wondering why I have on these gloves. As I said in the last 2 videos, if you look at my face, I look very tired and stressed. But right, that week when I started to put up the video every evening was the most hectic week for me. Worse, it was end of month. And you know, I sell clothes and I have the spa and have to do the video, edit it, and dealing with customers, answering the phone at the same time. It was like a bit much, right? So by the end of the week, I started to see the results on my face. But now you know I love my face. Face. Do you see that video? Right? So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to repair my face. So I'm going to do a little surgery here. So I want to share it with you what I do. And you know I love carrot, right? So I always use carrot to tone my skin, because you know carrot tone the skin naturally, right? But I find out for 4 weeks now, I use this product and a client face, and I was saying, but we have the same type skin, and if it's working on her, let me try it on myself and stop using the carrot. So I decided to try it on myself, and because I'm chit chatting with you guys, I'm gonna do my face while talking to you, right? So I hope you don't mind, join me. Alright, so let me tell you what I have here. If you look at my face, I don't have on any face powder or anything at all. So this is a new cleanser. It's a cleanser that I fall in love with it, and guess what? It's not a recommendation, not a sponsored video or anything. I'm just telling you the cleanser that I use. So all I did was I wash off my face, I put on the cleanser and wash off my face. That's it. So we take the cleanser out of the way because I already use it already, right? And guys, if you know anywhere I can get this cleanser to buy, please email me and tell me that you know where it's sell, because the lady that supplied me, she sent me the last two and she don't have any more. She won't be supplying anymore because I'm the only person buy it. I guess they don't know the good use of it, right? So secondly, because my face is already cleansed, right? I already steamed my face because I didn't want to try everything right here. So I'm gonna apply the solution on my face that I made. So this is turmeric inside here, turmeric and honey, right? So I'm gonna apply the turmeric on my face and I'm gonna leave it for say 25 minutes, right? And you know, for it to really absorb in my skin. I'll also explain what the use of turmeric on this side, right? So you can just look here and you will see the use of turmeric, right? And how I prepare the turmeric, right? This is the turmeric. It looks just like ginger. You can get it in the supermarket. I grated it. I do not peel off the skin of the turmeric. I wash it and grate it because the skin, it have a lot of preservatives, a lot of things in it, just as what is inside if you had peeled it off. So I don't peel it. Just like when I'm using ginger, I don't peel it. I just take off the extra little, you know, they call it chush. I don't know what to call it, right? And grate it just the same and use it. Potato, I don't peel potato either. Alright? And then so I have the honey, right? And the turmeric inside here. And the reason why I use the honey, right? Because the turmeric is a lot harsh, and then this is why I have on the gloves, because the turmeric, it have a yellow color just like if you use curry, so it's going to stain my nails. So this is why I have on the gloves to use, right? And I don't really like to use implements on my face, so I normally like to use my hand to moisturize everything into my pores, right? You feel more comfortable. If I'm doing a client, I'll use something, if you know, depends on how I feel and what I'm applying, but I like to use my hand, right? So this is the turmeric, so I'm going to apply it. And then after now, and the reason why I use honey, I was telling you the reason why I use the honey, because honey even your skin tone. So if this end up to take off too much color or give me this glow, but at the same time some part doesn't look even, right? I use the honey to help to, you know, moisturize back my skin and maintain one color on my face, right? Because remember, it's natural product, so maybe here the pores never open good and here it open good or something, and maybe some part just do show lighter than some. I don't want that. I want it to be even. So this is why I use the honey in this instance. And you know, honey is good for bacteria and to exfoliate the skin and moisten the pores and nourish the pores also. So that's why I use the honey with this. I like to use honey in actually everything that I do. So this is how I'm going to apply the turmeric, right? So remember, I tell you that anything you do, you do with upward movement. If you look at my videos, I hardly wear a lot of makeup, and at the same time you don't see any wrinkles on my face unless I get really tired. And you can see these sagging bags right here. So this is why I use the turmeric, right? And I have on this apron because I know it will spill on me, right? Because I'm not using any gauze or anything, and I'm not lying down comfortable because I wanted to talk to you guys. So right, so I use this and rub it on my face. So just let me just use my two hands. It's going to drop all over the place, but I'll prepare for that. Right, so I do like this, right? It's best if you have somebody do this for you, because the turmeric, and I don't put any water in the turmeric, I need more of it to stay on my face, but because I do it so often, it won't affect the result. So guys, you see my face before, you know, so you realize that I didn't get up, so I don't have on any makeup, even though you might still see a little glow on my face. Right? So I'm not even applying this good, but right. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this now, and it's going to stay for about 25 minutes, right? So next thing I want to tell you, aloe vera. So I have this big piece of aloe vera. I don't out of aloe vera. Can you see the aloe vera, right? So what I did was already go ahead and cut these. So when this dry and I rinse it off, right? So I massage it in, and then because I don't want the wrinkle to come down like this, what I do, I job up my face like this. And guys, it's good to just go in the mirror and give your face a facial massage. I'll do a video on that showing you how to massage your face, right? Don't want it too much waste. So of course I don't expect you to be here waiting, and I rub my ears and mount this part here, and you know, I give myself my regular body scrub. So I haven't tried the turmeric body scrub as yet, so I wanted to mix it with the coffee, turmeric and coffee. Oh my god, that's supposed to give a good result. So I want to try it on myself first and see how it works, and then I will do a video, because I have to, you know, I have to test the things on myself. Like other day, I don't think you wanted to see my face, because I test this product on my face and some bump come up on my face and I didn't even bother put up the video. Alright, so I like to test the things first. So the aloe vera now, I don't bother go and buy aloe vera cream. I'm not saying it's wrong to go and not bashing anybody product. I use the raw aloe vera to moisturize my skin. So let this dry and let me rinse it off and come back, yeah, and show you what I do next after I take off this. So it was the cleanser, then the turmeric. Because the turmeric is grated, I didn't need to use no other scrub, because this gives me the scrub already, because I just use it, as you can see, and I rub my face. So it gives me as much scrub that I want. So I'm going to leave it on it, as I said, for the 25 minutes and see how it works. Alright, so I've cleansed off the turmeric off my face. Can you see the result? Just look, just the turmeric, I just cleansed it off my face. Right, I don't know if you can see the difference. Look at my eye bag. I just stay with it about, I didn't even say the full 25 minutes, because I have to be moving around and around. Right, so now I have coconut oil, and I'm going to massage my pores. Right, so first I'm gonna do like this and stretch it. You have to relax the face when you're doing it to see the result. Then I have to go upward movement, so whichever way your hand comfortable, upward. But I'm doing this 3 times, you know. Mommy bringing your nose in, remember those days? You ever see a mother bringing their child nose, and then I put a circular motion around my eyes, you know, to get back my nerves and make my eyes relax, right? So a circular motion around my eyes, right? And then forehead, crisscross movements, up and down, or you can use 2 of your fingers, up and down, or sideways, right? And then head massage right there. And then the cheeks, rotary movements. I mean, it don't feel 100% like if somebody giving it to you, but Yeah. And I'm going to cleanse off the oil, right? And then I'm going to put on my after treatment and rub it on. And what I do, I just cut off the skin one side and then rub it on my face. Now, I'm definitely going to show you how, if you get 2 stalks of aloe vera, how to preserve it. Yeah, for about 3 weeks. I'm going to show you how to preserve it. So this is what I do. Normally I cut 2 pieces, but I don't know why I forget to cut 2 pieces, so I can do the side, both sides same time, right? So this is what I do. I rub it on my face, and it's going to rub and go down to the skin. I can rub it all over my eyelid. Alright, and that's what I like about it, because it's not going to damage my eye. So as I said, if you watch this video to the end, right, I want to big up Robbie. Robbie, thanks for your comments and for continuing watching my videos. Okay, and secondly guys, remember I said as of February 1st, every Friday in February, I will announce the lucky winner of 500 credit. I don't know which network you use, so this is why we're going to connect by email. I don't know where in Jamaica you are, and this is why we're going to use the email. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, remember to press this the subscribe button and press the bell so you'll be notified, so you know if you're the lucky winner every Friday. You don't even know which Friday it's going to be you that you're going to win $500 credit, right? Tell your friend to subscribe, and if you already a subscriber, you're still eligible for the $500 credit. Just watch the video, comment below your email, and press thumbs up, of course. I hope you like the facial, guys, because yeah, so this is what I'm gonna have on my face for now, as I said, and the hairstyle just need to go right now because I have it in about 2 weeks. It just need to go. So I have this tired look on my face. I need some sleep, of course. So I'm going to, you know, that new hairstyle as I tell you that I have, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear it, right? So I don't do any for myself as yet, because what I'm working on is for customers. So I'm gonna work on one for me and change his hairstyle. If I don't get to finish that, just do something in the meantime, because I don't know, for my hair I always have to put it last because I have so much other things to do, and I have to put the customer first. So I cannot pretty up my hair and my customer walk in through the grill and I say, no, I don't have time for you yet, I don't work that way there. So I have to deal with the customer first, then I attend to myself. But of course, you know, I like looking good. I really take so I really need to take out this hair. Yeah, it's overgrown now, right? So yeah.